Hi, welcome back to hostboxcse channel and back to the tutorial for computer networks. So the computer networks, the previous session I explained about the routers. We were discussing one by one the connecting devices. Okay, so today we are going to see the new concept called switching, where we will discuss only the circuit switching. Please kindly support the channel and check the playlist when you have doubt. So this is a tutorial definitely helpful for who are preparing for the GateUgc, all university level and college level exams also. The previous session I explained about routers, where I told about the difference between repeaters, bridges, at last router and important and so on. Today we are going to see the concept called switching, what is switching and what is circuit switching and why so important like that. Here. So switching, what is mean switching? Switching means kind of simply is a device which connect multiple communication lines together. So the switch like this only. So multiple devices we can connect for data transmission. The purpose of just to connect and just share the data. Then in large networks there can be a multiple path from sender to receiver. So here what will happen? What is sub switching? Because it always decide the best route for transmission. Okay, so whenever you want a system, so best example is you can say telephone network. So switching, there are two types of many types of the main. There are major types is there. One is called circuit, another one is called packet, another one is called messaging. So we'll the upcoming session discuss about packet switching. Today we'll see about only switching and circuit switching. And here these also used to connect the system for making one-to-one communication. So one system to one system or another system or system and communicate direct to face-to-face communication. We can use the switching concept. Then what is circuit switching? So you can say it's a technique that establishes a dedicated path between sender and receiver. So you can say what is circuit switching? Whenever competitive exam you can expect like this question only, establishes a dedicated path between dedicated path between the sender and receiver, and once the connection established, what happens, then the dedicated path will remain to exist until the connection is terminated. Till close the connection it will be there. Then in circuit switching network operates in a similar way as the telephone works, and also where you can use, it's used in the public telephone network. And also one more target of using major use of circuit switching is it also used for voice transmission. And here fixed data can be transferred at a time in circuit switching technology. Let's see the diagram, you understand before seeing the important points. So let's assume that we have a network where connect to switch 1, switch 2, switch 3. This are one, and also it's completely based on the completely on the physical layer because all are connected. Suppose I can send the message in the form like that, message 1, message 2, message 3 and so on. So from sender A to this is sender, this is receiver. So I can send directly, I can send through the switches. It may with the 2 or 3 or multiple switches will be there. So which is the path? Suppose for A you can choose this also and send directly via S3, you can set B. They can choose best route and send the data or transfer the information from A to B, that is source to the destination. Remember. So here it is always in the physical layer, the important point messages. So directly it go. Once connection established, it will transfer the information. And there are some points is very important. One is called physical layer, just now told you, and continuous flow. Continuous flow means what? Here once data transferred, once connection established, data transfer from source to destination A to B or A to C, A to D or whatever there, it will go continuously. There is no stopping, nothing. So once you have even some machine host will be there, it cross the host and reach the destination. Then another point, no headers. No headers in this is what? Because once the connection established, it keep on transfer the information one by one. Okay, one to one, A to B, A to C or A to D, whatever there you can directly send the information. No header, no interference here. Then and moreover this efficiency less. We circuit switching efficiency less because you know today technology what You can use WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever. We need internet speed and packet switching. There's a command as the wireless, but circuit switching command as the category where the efficiency less, because in mobile, in your phone, what happen? You can talk hello, how are you, like that you can talk. One more thing, what, either suppose I'm the, I have a telephone call A and another source is B. Suppose I start the call. I want to make a call. Connection established. After that, I'm not talking. Just to keep the phone in my hair or something and leaving. That means what happened? Here the resource is not used. Resource is not used, but connection established. Till I have to keep the, either anyone have to keep the mobile down. Phone downstairs, always not. One more practical scenario you can say about reservation. Reservation in the restaurant. So if you reserve in the reservation, what happen? You have to go. You and friends can eat the tiffin or something. If not, then what happen? You reserved and not going means what? What happen? Resource will be wasted. So like that, he also connection established and the data. If you not to do data transfer anything, what happen? Here the efficiency will less here. It decreases the efficiency. And one more point is delayless. Why you say delayless in circuit switching? Because here let's say example, in if you go for routers, what happen? There will be a concept called store and forward concept. Store and store the data, save the data and forward packets one place to another, again one place to another. But here there is no store and forward concept. So by default, what happen? The message will go one by one, message 1, message 2 and message 3. Moreover, there is no here out of law means what? Suppose I am sending packet 1, packet 2, packet 3. What will, which order will receive? The receiver is same order only, P1, P2, P3. If we install that, if we receive P2, P1, P3 means what? It's wrong. That is a out of order. So it is possible directly on source designation we can pass the information with the help of circuit switching. Then total time. How to set up the total time? If you want to set up the total time, we can have the formula setup plus TD, that is TT. What? Transmission time plus propagation delay plus TR downtime. Here T is equal to means what? That is M by bandwidth. That message by bandwidth. T is equal to, and propagation delay, how it comes? D by B, that is speed. Then T by distance by velocity or speed of the network. So here time transmission, what? How much you take from A to D. B, how long you take to transfer via message. Suppose I'm sending message 1, how long you take? Message 2, how long you take? Message 3, how long? That is a transmission time. At last, tear down propagation delay, you know automatically. Then tear down time. Tear down means when it terminated. Okay, what time it terminated, like that. Once the terminated happen, it will stop the process. So total time you can calculate with the help of formula setup plus TD, that is transmission time plus propagation delay plus tear down time, or else terminate time. At last we see how the communication is happening in the circuit switching. Any circuit switching, better example is telephone network. Today we are not following the Asian days, we follow this only. So there are 3 spaces when you go for create the communication between the circuit switching. One is called circuit establishment, that is link by link. Then data transfer, you can say transfer the information class, circuit disconnected. Once you transfer the data, it can stop it. So here you see the diagram again. So here, connection establishment over. The next step is data transfer. What are the message? Hello, how are you? What are the information you send source to destination? Or else you have a A to B or A to C, A to D, or here one more post D is there. Assume that D to I want to send to G, so I can send it. Circuit switching already connected physical layer with the help of situated in the physical layer. We can directly send from D to G, everything possible. At last the transfer over, we can stop it, terminate the connection. So remember, what is circuit switching is a very one of the technique where it always choose the best route to select. Whenever multiple arises, it select automatically best route to send the information from the source, data from the source to the destination. These are about circuit switching. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.